Unboxing of my fire boots. Slowly, delicate. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Oh, I don't like when he tapes on the box because it ruins the box. The tape messes up the box. Yeah. A little over taping on his part.
Where are they coming from?
These are from Indonesia.
Oh, wow.
It takes about usually a year, 6 months to a year. These were 7 months.
What's so special about them?
Well, they're in the shoe world. These would be considered bespoke or custom handmade, which means they take a lot of measurements of your foot, your ankles, and it's all made from scratch. You sent me some socks.
Cute.
I never seen that before. In the bag. Usually his box and bag are green. These are blue.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
Wow.
God damn. Look at the insole. I didn't even know it was gonna do that. Double insole, double thickness. And look at the bottom. Brass. And a Dr. Sole, like a vintage style sole. It's ridiculous. Isn't it beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the heel. It's called a woodsman heel. It's got the little curve right there. God. You don't even want to wear it. It's just hanging on a wall somewhere. Yeah, this is what a bespoke shoe looks like. It's so the guy that makes these is just I think it's 4 people that sit in a garage this size. They don't even use electricity to hand weld these. They sit like this and they hand weld these shoes.
Wow.
It's all done by hand. I mean, there's a machine for these stitching. These are machined, but the welds are usually done by hand. Because they drill holes and then pull the stitching through. Yeah. Well, that's it. This was the 6-month waiting list. My new favorite shoe.
It's gonna look great on the bike.
Yeah, it's gonna look great on the bike.